Hi, I'm Mike Thompson, and in this video, I'm going to show you this little sound measuring device that I'm working on. I'll just call it my sound box. The premise, I guess, behind all this is I'm building a new workshop. I don't want to aggravate the neighbors, so I'm probably going to have to insulate my shed for sound and temperature. I've got a book called Noise Control in Buildings that's teaching me a little bit about how to insulate for sound. I decided I wanted to build a little test rig just for fun. So what I've got here is a cardboard box inside a rudimentary foam box. This is just the core. I will then insulate this with something else. But the point of this, what I want to do is be able to test several different sound insulating materials. I built this box to basically reflect all the sound back out as best I can and then insulate from the outside world. I read in my book that expanded polystyrene really isn't a very good sound insulator. But for what I'm doing, I think it's going to be just fine because I'm trying to reflect it all back. So it also helped to isolate any vibrations or anything like that. It's really more for just I wanted a foam project, and so I built a box. So the setup's going to look something like this. From the side or from the top, I've got my sound box here. I'm going to put my piezo element inside, controlled by my Arduino. And what I plan to do is run it at, say, 500 hertz increments from as low as it'll go to as high as it'll go. And then I'll have interchangeable front plates to test different insulating materials. So this purple will be like fiberglass in one case, maybe it'll just be sheetrock, it might be the EPS itself, but I'll be able to test different things. On the other side, still hooked to the Arduino on the analog side, I'll have a microphone. Now I'm obviously not going for decibels here because there's no way to calibrate for that. So what I'm simply going to do is just measure the, I'll say, percent difference of a totally uncovered microphone or element and microphone system to a, I'll map it maybe from 0 to 255 or do something like that, but just to see the percentage drop so I kind of have an idea of what materials work best at different frequency ranges. But that's kind of what I'm working on right now. As this project progresses, I'll have some more updates, but thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.